What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I guess Shelby wants to say hi to everybody. You say, you say hi? Sorry about that. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to install a device in the truck that... Stop. Can you stop? Today we're going to install a device in the truck that allows you to stream like Netflix, Hulu, probably other apps. I'm not aware of exactly which ones work. It basically works through, I believe, Android Auto or CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, the app, and it allows you to download other apps from the Play Store. The box that I purchased, I guess it's called AI box. It's got YouTube, Disney Plus, Netflix. Yeah, it gives you the ability to do it wirelessly or through the Bluetooth as well, or not as well, that's how it works. So anyways, we're just gonna unbox this and plug it in and just show you quickly how it works. I bought it from this guy he's actually on YouTube, MVI Inc or something like that. I'll link all his information in the description below, so if you guys want to check him out. He does a lot of stuff with like car integrations. I also, if you guys watch, I don't know if I made a video, when I installed the surround camera, the 360 surround cameras, like in the you can see like right there on the bottom of my mirror there's a camera. There's one on the other side. There's a mirror, a camera in my third brake light, one in my grill. Actually, I can even show you that real quick. So like, there's the two side cameras. There's the camera in the front grill. My normal tailgate camera, and then I have a switch down here hidden somewhere. Can't remember where it's at. It's down here somewhere, but if you flip that switch, then it flips to the third brake light camera. But anyways, that little switch, let's see, sorry, that little switch that allows you to switch between the two cameras, that's something that like a harness that he makes. It also gives me the ability to watch my rear camera in my tailgate while the car is moving, or from the factory you can't do that. It only comes on in reverse. So yeah, that MVI Inc is the company. They make all kinds of stuff like that. They do the camera systems, navigation stuff. They have all kinds of cool stuff. I know it's a lot. I don't know if they do it for all cars, but I know it's a lot of GM and Chevy vehicles. But anyways, check their website out. But anyways, let's get back to this video. We're gonna open this box real quick. I'll show you guys what comes in here. So this is the actual, see if I can get it out. The little device. It's got a USB-C in the middle. It's got a spot for a SIM card on the right, and I don't know what that is on the left. Maybe like some kind of SD card or something. It's like a mini HDMI or micro HDMI. I don't remember which one that is. And then in here we got two different USB cables. I think on my truck there's got a USB-C to USB-A to plug into the USB port in the console. The newer trucks, I believe, have USB-C ports, so this comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. We're not going to be using that one. So let's open this. Sorry. Alright, so we have the box with the cable USB-C to USB-A. going to pop the center console. Excuse the mess. This box will plug right into one of these USB ports over here. See the lights coming on. So I assume it's booting up. I don't know what the lights are supposed to look like. Okay, so something popped up on the screen. Basically, Apple CarPlay, third-party apps. There's a, yeah, whatever. Continue. Sorry, I hope you guys can hear over the AC. It's just hot outside. Turn this down a little bit. Connecting AI box. So it's gonna disconnect my phone, which fine. And here's the interface. Dismiss that. One thing you do need to be aware of is this box does need to connect to internet, so you either have to have like a little Wi-Fi puck or a hotspot on your phone. From what the guy on at MVI in his videos was saying, even if you have Wi-Fi in your truck like I do, it's not strong enough Wi-Fi, it's not going to work. So you must use either Wi-Fi through your hotspot on your phone or like through a separate Wi-Fi device. So let's go ahead and see if we can. I think for right now what I'm gonna do, just for purposes of showing you guys, I'm not gonna connect it to my phone at the moment. I'm gonna see if I can connect it to my, whoops, not mobile. I guess if you buy get a SIM card from your mobile carrier too, you could put that in there. I may try to do that, but for now, sorry, camera's bouncing everywhere.
GPS signal lost.
Thank you. From now, I'm just gonna connect to my home Wi-Fi, which is called Home.
GPS signal acquired.
Stupid thing. Neighbors. Alright, so I'm gonna close that center console so I can rest my arm there. Alright, so it's connected to my home Wi-Fi now. Like I said, I will change that later. For now, I'm just gonna do it for purposes of showing you guys some of the stuff on here. And even, like, I don't even know what all this thing does, to be honest. There's probably all kinds of stuff that I'm not even aware of, but we'll kind of just play around with it. So, let's see. Got the Play Store. Got all kinds of apps. Got YouTube. Let's just play a random video and see how well it So, I mean, it seems to go pretty well. Let's try another video, just a random. Okay, it doesn't want to allow me to play that. Let's go back. Cletus. Okay, so it's not letting you play a bunch of stuff. I'll have to figure out what's going on with that. Oh, it looks like I need to download an update for YouTube. So, I wasn't paying attention to the error. It says it's not able to play on this version. So I guess I'm gonna have to connect that to my Google account, which is not gonna let me do it right now because I have a security key on it, the Titan security key. So for now, we'll go back. Get out of there. You got Disney Plus, Netflix, Prime Video, ESPN. There's all kinds of apps on here. Plus, it gives you the ability to. Oops. Oh, there it is. So yeah, you hit on the. Let's go back. So this little CarPlay app. Even though I don't have an Apple device, I have an Android device that's still under the Apple CarPlay. So you click on that, and then it loads. That loads pretty fast. I don't see any lag in this. I mean, it seems to be pretty quick, responsive. Here's all kinds of different apps. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm gonna have to kind of play around with it a bit, get familiar with it. Like I said, I just got it the other day in the mail and wanted to make a video about it for you guys. If anyone's interested in looking for to being able to stream from your vehicle, I mean, it's probably good for people with kids, road trips. You can entertain the kids. And, I specifically got it because I have to run errands a lot on the weekends, and sometimes it's during sporting events and football games or motocross races that I want to watch. So I usually just watch it on my phone, but sometimes that's just a pain. So it's nice to be able to watch something on this screen kind of while you're running errands and doing stuff. And yeah, it's just nice to have in general. Road trips, you can pop in I mean, I know you're not supposed to be watching this while you're driving, but don't be retarded. Just keep your eyes on the road and kind of glance at it. You'll be fine. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I got more videos coming, guys. It's just, I got so much stuff going on with work. It's hard for me to get time to make these videos. I've got truck parts in my garage that I still need to put on. I've got the upper control arms that I still need to get installed, and then get the truck balanced or get the truck aligned. Anyways, yeah, hit that subscribe button and stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.